Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I want to present about my Tinkercad project. My project is smoke and fire alarm. Smoke and fire alarm. So this is smoke and fire alarm simulation using Arduino. So how it's function? So firstly, we have gas sensor, which is this component will detect the smoke. So if this component detect the smoke, the piezo will ringing and the red LED will light up. The green LED will light up. So this is the simulation. I will start the simulation. This is the source code, and I will start the simulation. Okay, so I will put the smoke near the above the gas sensor. Okay, we can see the piezo will ring and the green LED will light up. Okay. Okay, next we go to the fire sensor. So this is temperature sensor. If the temperature is increased or high, the piezo will ringing same like gas sensor, and in this case the right LED, the red LED will light up. Okay, this is the simulation. You can see that when the temperature is increased or temperature is high, the piezo will ringing and the red LED will light up. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Okay, thank you very much.